Welcome to the video for the adjustable grip log holder. It comes in two parts. Assembled like this, simply slide the front leg in. Very sturdy, made of heavy duty box section. Can easily be transported. This is a sliding mechanism. To load the log, simply put it in, touch the back, the slider comes down, the log is held. It's designed so that it can be used by one person. The logs can be held, easily cut to length, loaded and unloaded by one person. It can be moved to any location. It can be used on muddy ground, uneven ground, concrete, grass, whatever you like. You can see how easy it is. You can also see this is not the video to show you what is the type of equipment to wear while chainsawing. Don't take your example from this video. The unit is very sturdy. It will hold logs very heavy, long, awkward shapes. You can rest your chainsaw on easily. You can push down hard on the chainsaw to make your logging activities much easier. When you've finished one log, simply move the slider up, take the pieces out, reset the slider, put in another log, length, shape, pretty much immaterial, so is size and weight, and it goes. That log there is likely around 40 kilos. Very secure. You can see it's used on site. If you had a trailer, you could reverse the trailer underneath the wood you're cutting so that the wood falls directly into the trailer. Let's have a look at another log. Different shape from the same tree, easily held, awkward shapes. You can adjust the height of the log. This design has evolved over many iterations. Feedback from the users, what's good, what works, what doesn't work, how it can be improved. We'll have a look at the design and see how it's constructed. So, it's very heavy duty box section. There's the sliding part. Strong enough for pretty much any log. There's teeth on the front, on the 5mm detachable plate. It's so that the unit can hold and grip logs that are bent, twisted, or forked, as you've seen before. If you're processing a lot of logs that are regular shapes, regular lengths, doesn't matter if they twist, you can easily take the jaws off to enable you to load the logs more easily, or if you need to sharpen the jaws. As I said, it's been designed by the users for the users. It's a robust, strong log holder, adjustable grip, for one person to use on site on any type of ground. If you're interested, take a look at the eBay page and pick yourself one up. Thank you.